Guess I'm a big DJI person, right? So this is a handheld gimbal. This OM5 came out last year, and it is a handheld gimbal. So you can attach it to a stand like so, because it can follow you around. And I'll just show this. So this is the phone holder. Let's power it up. So just the other day I was using this because I didn't have anyone to record me. So I was actually using this. And then I also, when I travel and I'm walking around, instead of having like shaky footage or going like this, you hold this like so. All right, so to connect to this, you have to actually turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. And the OM5 pops up. Can't see it, but you connect it that way. It's going to ask you if you want to pair it. And there's a DJI Memo app that you would go into. And there's like different guides and stuff like that. But what I really like is, let me flip this around. Actually, I can control it here. So it's like a magnetic thing here. So here's how you would kind of control it at the bottom. You can pan it. So as you can see, instead of taking your phone whenever you travel, and the phone that I have hooked up is the S22. So you can pan it around. You can even turn it to horizontal mode just by clicking these buttons. So as you can see, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool gadget for someone that that would benefit from this. And then let's flip the camera around. This is all right. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so I flipped it around. Yes, this is my studio. Excuse the mess. But okay, so one thing I'm gonna do is draw a square around me, and then it's gonna track me. So as you can see, I'm moving. It's a live demonstration, y'all. It follows me. So if I'm out and about and traveling and I'm by myself, or I don't want to bother the people that I'm traveling with to capture me, or let's say I want to go live, I can literally move around and it tracks the object. Isn't that pretty neat? So this is the DJI OM5. I really like it, and you can do different things with it. You can hit record, all of that from just this. And this is on a stand, but let me take this off. But this is what I mean by you can travel around with it. So literally when I'm walking around, this is how you use it. And so it comes with this. It comes with these detachable pieces. And then you can put it like in a pouch or wherever you want to carry it with. And then it also comes with this. So if you didn't want to use a tripod and you're actually, just want to use something on your desk, you could do it like so. But this also, let's see. Yeah, and that gives you an additional if you need to get it higher as well. So you could go like that. But yeah, this is the DJI OM5. And I really like the track option. As you can see, it fits over the S22 well. And this is with the case. So I mentioned earlier, I have the Caseology case on here. Yeah, and then the app is pretty cool. And like I said, you can even zoom in. You have the buttons that you can zoom in. You can turn it. You saw how I was able to go from vertical to horizontal with the push of a button. You can record, you can do all of that, or you can just have it follow you. So this is the DJI M5. It's a handheld stabilizer. And then you also see people like creating those cool videos where they're like following you. Someone can follow behind you and it kind of like stabilizes it. And if you're going around going like this, it could be leading to some pretty jumpy looking footage. So this helps stabilize it.